Are you a beginner looking to invest but don't know where to start? Maybe you have just $100 and feel overwhelmed by options, risks, and confusing advice. Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we're going to explore how to invest for beginners in 2025 with updated strategies, tools, and tips that will help you make smart investment decisions, even with a small amount. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to start investing with confidence. Let's dive in. The investment landscape has changed a lot over the last few years. While traditional options like stocks and bonds are still strong, new opportunities have emerged. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have become mainstream. You don't need thousands of dollars to start. Even $10 can get you started on platforms like Coinbase or Binance. Digital collectibles known as NFTs are gaining traction, but they're highly volatile. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Peer-to-peer lending platforms allow you to lend money directly to individuals or small businesses, earning interest in return. Technology also plays a big role in investing. AI-powered robo-advisors, automated portfolio management, and machine learning tools can help you make smarter investment choices with less effort. Before you invest, financial literacy is key. Understanding how the market works, economic indicators like inflation and interest rates, and personal finance basics will help you avoid costly mistakes. Investing isn't just about numbers, it's also about mindset. Investment psychology teaches us how to manage emotions during a market ups and downs. Fear and greed can lead to poor decisions, so it's important to stay informed, disciplined, and patient. Now, let's talk strategies. You don't need to stick to one type of investment. Diversifying is key. Value investing involves buying undervalued stocks with long-term potential. Growth investing focuses on companies that are growing rapidly. It is riskier but has potential for higher returns. Dividend investing means buying stocks that pay regular dividends. A steady income stream, even if stock prices fluctuate. Always remember risk management. Determine your risk tolerance before investing. Start small, track your investments, and never put all your money into one asset. Diversification is your safety net in the market. Since 2020, new regulations and economic shifts have affected investments. Interest rates, inflation, and government policies can change the potential returns on your investments. For example, higher inflation might reduce the value of cash savings but make certain assets like stocks or real estate more attractive. Stay informed about new laws affecting investments and tax implications. Being proactive can save you money and headaches. Here are some common questions beginners have. Can you really start with $100? Yes. Start small and let your money grow over time. Is investing safe? All investments carry some risk, but with research and diversification, you can manage it. Let's look at a real-life example. Sarah started investing $100 each month in a low-cost index fund. After 5 years, she grew her investment to over $10,000, thanks to compounding and patience. Small steps consistently taken lead to big results over time. Here's your beginner's roadmap. First, set a budget and decide how much you can invest without affecting your daily needs. Second, educate yourself and learn the basics of stocks, bonds, ETFs, crypto, and alternative investments. Third, choose a platform like Robinhood, Fidelity, or eToro. Fourth, start small by investing in low-cost index funds or fractional shares. Fifth, track your progress regularly but avoid reacting to every market swing. And finally, stay consistent. Keep investing regularly because consistency beats timing the market. Patience and discipline are your best allies. Investing as a beginner in 2025 is easier than ever if you stay informed, start small, and adopt the right mindset. Remember, it's not about getting rich quickly, but growing your wealth steadily over time. Your financial future starts today. Don't wait.